Right, hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YouTube. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and then we're going to be talking about XRP. Let's get straight into it. Basically, so an overview of what I basically spoke about in yesterday's video is that I basically said with Bitcoin we are in a bear flag, which we were here. So this is the 45-minute chart. So basically, let me just show you quickly. So on the 4 hour, you can see that we were in a, so we dropped out of this ascending wedge, and then we obviously, so we dropped out of here, fell between the support and resistance here, created a not a bull flag, a bearish flag, and then we obviously broke to the upside. So let me come back to the 45-minute chart. So so this is where we come out of the ascending wedge, come down here, retested this support level down here. Obviously, it's quite a strong support level at the moment. So we were in this bearish flags pattern for like most of the day. Well, half of today, I think it was pretty much. And then, as you can see here, we created a inverse head and shoulders. And then we obviously went to the upside, retested this resistance level here of $30,500, which is good. So now, after we've done this, we've obviously been rejected, but not so much. I mean, to be honest, if we zoom in, get rid of all this. We've sort of been rejected, but we're obviously, so now we've created a bullish flag. So we've gone from a bearish flag to a bullish flag. If we are to break out of here in the 45-minute chart, then we should be coming back up to retest the $31,100 level, potentially breaking through, and the wick sort of ending at $31,300. So that's my prediction at the moment. If we are bearish and if we do drop to the downside, where will we go? That was sort of like the last drop. So basically, if we are to drop to the downside from this bearish flag, we would then be retesting this support level of $29,300. If we fail to bounce back up from this support level, then we'll probably end up dropping down and retesting this support level of $28,800. So that's the bearish movement. We have actually just ticked bearish on the 45-minute, but I do feel like we should hopefully trade between these lines here, and then depending on what news comes out of Bitcoin, we either tick bearish or we tick bullish. But it is a bullish flag, so hopefully we end up trying to come up again here and retest this this $31,100 level. Let's move up for the 45 minutes. So obviously, right, where's the MACD gone? There it is. So we're looking okay. There's not a lot of volume at the moment. I can't really see a hell of a lot of volume, but we are looking kind of okay on the MACD. So yeah, let's go to the 1 hour. So we're still okay on the 1 hour, potentially about to, no, we are about to tick bearish here on the RSI and potentially here on the MACD. So if we, it may only be that we tick bearish and we sort of come down here and sort of retest. So this is like a little support level at the moment, because obviously, look, you've seen that we've sort of come down here, retested, come back up, got rejected, and then we're obviously going to be coming back down again. So that's probably what's going to be going, like, that's probably is what's going to be happening tonight. We might just start trading sideways at the moment, but if we do break out, we either break up and we retest 31,100, or we either break down and we retest the support level of 29,300. That's the short-term prediction. Can I see any more patterns at the moment? I'm not really sure if we can see any more patterns. Let's move from the 1 hour. So we're obviously about to tick bearish on the RSI, and on the 4 hour we're looking better. So we've got a bit more of a pump. We have just ticked bullish on the MACD, and we are looking okay on the RSI. What did I just skip back to? Oh, I'll skip back to the 1 hour chart. Back to the 4 hour chart. I keep on doing that every single video. I seem to draw a big line across the screen. Yeah, so we're in this bullish flag pattern. I do hope that we pump to the upside. But yeah, if we do, again, depending on where we do it, but obviously we should be coming up here to about 31,700 on the 4-hour chart if we break out of this bullish flag. Obviously, the 4-hour chart and the 1-day chart are a lot more bullish. Basically, if you see bullish movements and bullish patterns, you will potentially get a bigger pump, basically, because obviously the 45-minute and the 1 hour, they're a lot smaller charts, so you see a lot smaller movements, basically, because it's sort of what happens throughout the day. But yeah, obviously, just to recap, we've dropped out of this ascending wedge, retested the support of 28,800. Obviously, we looked on the 45-minute chart, you saw a inverse head and shoulders. We've had this pump to the upside to retest the resistance of $30,400, and then we've obviously started trading sideways, and then we've created a bullish flag pattern. I'm hoping that we get a bit more volume and we start to break out of this bullish flag pattern, and then we obviously start coming up to retest the 31,100. So that's what we kind of want to look at first. Because obviously before we got rejected, so we kind of want to break through 31,100 and try to get to about 31,600 to 31,700. But to be honest, we might not even get that full pump. We might retest this and pump a little bit further to about 31,400, and then do what we did here and come back down and retest this support level here. Once we confirm this, then hopefully we can start coming back up and then creating this ascending wedge again, like sort of coming back into the ascending wedge. So on the 4 hour, we're looking okay. If we go to the daily, what are we doing on the daily? We bounce off the yellow line on the RSI on the daily. We've just ticked bullish on the MACD. That's why we've had the pump today. We're looking okay down here. What can I see then? To be honest, I'm expecting a much bigger pump than what we're having right now. Only because of what I've been saying in my previous videos. If you check my previous videos out, I think it was my last maybe 2 or 3 videos, I've sort of said the same thing. Once we've sort of come down here to the bottom of the MACD and we've ticked bullish on the MACD, we've usually had a massive pump. So if we go back to the previous time we've done this, so we're looking at this one here. Once we tick bullish down here, so we've literally dropped down to the bottom of the MACD, tick bullish, and then I will show you, we literally went from here all the way up to here. So we had a pump of, let me get the ruler, of 39%. That's what happened last time. So I'm kind of expecting this to happen again. Not sure when. Obviously, do not copy anything I do. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And just don't copy me. Don't just, yeah, this is not advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And I'm sure it's quite entertaining when I'm giving predictions like this, but this is just my view on it. I do feel like, obviously, we have just ticked bullish down here on the MACD. We could do what we did here last time, tick bullish, and then just literally just get rejected and then tick bearish again and come down further. But the further we come down, as soon as we tick bullish again, then we should have a massive impulsive break. But I do feel like we should be having this soon. We've been having quite a lot of red days here, but we've started to form a blue day. And I'm hoping this is the first of many for the next sort of week or so. I feel like tomorrow will be quite a bullish day, and I'm hoping it should be quite bullish over the weekend. But I do want to see us trading above $40,400 fairly soon. We could go more than that, or we may go a little bit less. But this is just my little prediction. This is still about 38%, so it's about the same sort of pump as the previous one that I showed you. From when it ticked bullish on the MACD. So this is sort of a little theory that I have. I do think it's going to happen. I do feel like that we're going to start getting bullish again fairly soon, and then hopefully we can sort of have a green weekend. It'll be the first green weekend for a while, but I do feel like fairly soon, week or two, could be trading around $40,600 again. But obviously we need to break through all these resistances first, but I feel like it should be quite an impulsive break, and we should obviously get back up there soon. So let's go back to, so if we come to XRP, 45-minute chart on XRP, broken out of the ascending triangle, retested the support of 39 cents, bounced back up, obviously because Bitcoin pumped as well, and we've now created a bullish flag pattern. If we break out of this soon, then we should be having a small pump to the upside, and we should be coming up to about 43 cents. If we break to the downside, it's about the same. So if we break down here, then we should basically be coming back down here to retest this support of 39 cents. It seems to be quite a strong support level at the moment. Yeah, it's quite a strong support level actually. But yeah, as you can see as well, it's pretty much formed an inverse head and shoulders just like Bitcoin did. So we've had this inverse head and shoulders, and then we basically reached the corner of the right hand shoulder here, and then we've had this pump to the upside to retest this resistance level here of 42 cents, and then we've obviously started trading sideways. I feel like we're going to be trading sideways, and then I do feel like Bitcoin will have a good day tomorrow. If this happens, XRP will retest this, break through, and basically go to about 43 cents. If Bitcoin goes further, then obviously XRP could hopefully be coming up here and retesting 45 cents again. But it's obviously been a while since that's happened last time. But yeah, I mean it's doable. It's doable. So we have obviously ticked bearish here. Maybe breaking out of this. If we do break down, yeah, we should be coming back down to about 40 cents. But yeah, we have just ticked bearish on the 45-minute chart. If we head over to the 1 hour chart, yeah, still about to tick bearish, so we may actually be breaking out of this bearish flag pattern at the moment, which is not great, but it is what it is. Yeah, so we're still in this bullish flag pattern. We're not looking too bad. I mean, we are about to tick bullish here on the MACD. We are just above the yellow line here on the RSI. So hopefully we can sort of try and get back up there and start to come back up and retest the 42 cents level. But yeah, there's not a lot happening with XRP at the moment, apart from the fact that we've obviously created this bullish flag pattern. Again, same thing as Bitcoin, about to tick bullish, well, not too far of ticking bullish on the MACD here. And what happened last time, so we come up here, and the last time with XRP when this happened, this is massive. How am I going to get all that in there? So the last time this happened, right, how am I going to do this? I can't fit it all in the screen. The pump's so big. Just a rough estimate. Ooh. Oh, I can't do it. Tell you what. I still can't do it. It's going to be a big pump basically to the upside. It's going to be about 55%. If what happens to Bitcoin, so if what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin happens, the same thing should potentially happen to XRP, but obviously XRP will pump harder. So Bitcoin would go about 38%, XRP would go to about 55% to maybe 60%, maybe even higher, because obviously depending on when the court case ends as well, XRP will just go big. It will go big. Comment down below your predictions actually for XRP, and if you are holding XRP, I'd like to know. But yeah, I mean that's sort of it for today. Hopefully we see a nice green day tomorrow and leading to a nice green weekend. That's the plan. Just comment down below what coins you're buying, what you think is going to happen to these altcoins, what altcoins you want me to talk about in a video, because obviously every single video I've been making, I just literally just talk about XRP and Bitcoin at the moment. Obviously I've not been doing this long. I've been doing it for nearly a month. but I want to start doing some more videos and some more content and talk about more different, like basically I want to talk about different coins and just not talk about the same coins every single day. But yeah, Bitcoin's looking okay. We've had this nice bounce. Um, would be nice if we can close above 30,500 by tonight. Who knows? But I'm not sure if we are ticking bullish on the 4 hour. Kind of. So yeah, we could potentially be coming up here in the next sort of 2 hours, breaking through this the top of this bullish flag pattern, and then hopefully sort of reaching about 31,600. If we close above that, Bitcoin's golden for the weekend, basically. But on that note, I'm going to go. See you guys tomorrow. I'll post again tomorrow, and make sure you like, subscribe. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Do not copy anything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, about between 9 to 10 o'clock. Peace.